This first capture comes from my sister Allie in rural Oregon. As you can see, the video quality is not great due to it being a cell phone camera. However, the fawn is absolutely sweet, and I thought you would enjoy it. There's this little rabbit out here. And what makes this odd is I am on La Cañada right at Continental. And there's a tiny little corner here of some ground that has foliage. And this has happened right here across the street from the Walgreens. Little rabbit right there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. Here's the little roadrunner visiting our patio. These doves sure do love to roost in the ocotillos in the morning sun. There's ocotillo number 1. And ocotillo number 2. There we go. I'm about to walk past, so they'll probably all fly away. Blaze the Wonder Cat has seen the snake out there, and he's watching it, but he's not super interested. He just jumped up into his tower where he guards the house. And he is stretched out now. I would say he's probably pretty close to 3 feet long. I'll take a tape measure out there after he moves and measure from that crack to the leg of that chair. But he's close to 3 feet. Anyway, we're watching him. I spotted this squadron of javelina on Mission Twin Buttes near Calle Montanosa on my morning walk. I'm walking down my driveway this morning, and look what I see. A couple of beautiful deer. I won't stay long. Let them go about what they were doing. Beautiful though, you just walk out your driveway. This capture is also from my sister Allie, and this is something you don't see every day. She managed to capture not 1, but 2 foxes, and it's something I've rarely seen, so I thought you would enjoy seeing it. This is at my friend Jimmy and Francine's house. I was just walking by, happened to look up their driveway, and they have a visitor. Beautiful. Little mule deer doe. Alright, well, I don't want to stress her out at all, so just wanted you to have a nice good look at her. She's beautiful.